Hello all, I hope you all are fine. In our recent videos, we have learned how to create and delete a company in Tally Prime. Today I am going to show you how to create a ledger and how to delete it. What is a ledger? An accounting ledger is an account or record used to store bookkeeping entries and balance sheet and income statement transactions. This is a small definition for an accounting ledger. So we'll start our video. First, we will select our company which is created. I'm selecting ABC Company Limited. To create our ledger, go to Gateway of Tally and select the command button Create. There are many options here: Accounting Masters, Inventory Masters, etc. We want to select the ledger to create. Type our ledger name here. I'm typing capital account. First we want to introduce our capital to a company. Capital account comes under capital account. So we want to fill our additional details here. First the address and the country, state, and fill our additional details here. We can see an area here for putting opening balance. If you want to, you can put your opening balance here and accept yes and press enter. Now our capital account ledger is created. Now we can create cash account. Type cash account here. Cash account comes under cash in hand. We can select the cash in hand and press enter, and if you want we can put opening balance here. I'm not putting. Press enter and accept. Now I am creating a bank account. I'm typing ICICI bank account. Bank account comes under bank accounts. We can select the bank accounts. We can type additional bank account details here. If you want, you can enable the option for check ranges. Press enter, and you can add the bank address here and select the state. If you want, you can add your GST registration number of bank. If you want to, you can put your opening balance here and press enter and accept yes. Now I am creating purchase account. Purchase accounts comes under purchase account. So we'll select the purchase account and press enter. Set total GST details no. We can select goods and enter. If you want to, you can put your opening balance here and accept yes. So we created our purchase accounts. After that, I'm creating Ram and Company under sundry creditors. We want to create a vendor for purchase. Press enter and put a vendor's address here. Select the state and country and PIN code. If bank details, provide them. GST registration type regular. We need to type their registration number here. If you want to, you can put the opening balance and press enter and accept. Now we have created some of our ledgers. Now we will see how to delete the ledger that we created. You can press your escape button to view Gateway of Tally and select the option Alter. You can select ledger here. Now it shows the list of ledgers. Select the ledger which we want to delete. Here I am deleting the vendor which we are created, Ram and Company. Press enter. Now we can see the ledger alteration window. If we want to, you can alter the details here. For delete the ledger, press Alt plus D to delete. Press yes for the confirmation. Now the selected ledgers has been deleted. Now I am deleting one more ledger here. I am selecting cash account. Press enter and we can see the ledger alteration window. Press Alt plus D to delete and press enter and accept yes. Now our cash ledger has been deleted. So thank you for watching.